want to do an overview of the PS90, how to disassemble it, what the basic anatomy of it is, and what I like and don't like about it. First thing we're going to do is remove our barrel device. The suppressor I have on here is a Rugged Obsidian 9. I really like this suppressor, and I really like the company Rugged. They are incredible with their customer service, their warranty. If you watch my other video, I do a whole video on this, how to take it apart, how to clean it. The company Rugged has helped me out quite a bit. They're awesome. If you're planning on buying a suppressor, buy a Rugged. Well, this is one of the things I really don't like about the 5.7 round. I've had repeated problems. When you're going to chamber a round, sometimes the round just completely comes apart, and it tends to spill a bunch of gunpowder down into the bowels of your gun, which immediately, pretty much for me, prompts a disassembly and cleaning. This is the best, or supposedly the best ammunition you can buy for an FN made firearm is FN ammunition. And I don't know, I've reached out to FN and haven't really had a whole lot of luck. They asked me what the batch number was on the ammunition, because this has all been from the same batch that I kind of bought in bulk at once. And I don't know, I'm not terribly happy with this 5.7 ammunition that I've been getting. It's not often that it happens, but once in a blue moon, one of these rounds likes to come apart like this, where the projectile will either push in, like you can see there, or it'll come out completely. The reason behind why this happens is right up here. The ammunition is not crimped in, but apparently glued in, and they didn't do a very good job. So that's one downside to the PS90 and the 5.7 ammunition in general, is this issue. Anyway, moving on. As always, first thing after you remove your barrel device, take your magazine out. Clear it a couple times, make sure we're not going to blow the house up. These things are super cool with how they're put together. I really like the design because it's kind of like Legos. It just goes together just like that. So let's take your upper receiver and separate it from the lower. You just push that button in and slide it out. What's going to come out with that is your upper as well as the charging slide assembly. And then we are left with our lower. I have this stupid strap thing on here for fashion. Just gonna loosen that up and slide it out of the way. After you have your upper receiver off and you're left with your lower, you can go ahead and remove this piece that lives right down in here. It slides out the front. There's that. That includes your firing assembly, which, since a round came apart, you can maybe see. I don't know how easy that is for you to see. My lighting is not great today. But there's gunpowder and filth that spilled down in here, so we're gonna have to really get in there deep and clean this part. After you've taken that part out, we can go ahead and remove our trigger assembly. The trigger assembly lives back here in this stock. You can just slide your butt plate off. And you're able to see your trigger assembly at this point. So you can take this little lever, move it up, push it up, and then your entire trigger assembly just slides out, just like that. Everything is super easy with the PS90, which is one of the reasons that I do love it. Cleaning on this is no different than any other firearm. You just take and gently clean away all the dirt, lubricate any moving parts, and then reassemble. People have different opinions on lubrication. I say lubricate plenty, clean up the excess. Okay, now that we've made a nice big mess here, we're gonna go ahead and reassemble our cleaned and lubricated parts. And you're gonna be able to get your trigger pack 80% of the way in. You're gonna line up that little arm down there, and then once you have that up, lined up, move your lever up and pop it the rest of the way in. And then you're gonna wanna reinstall your butt plate. Butt plate just slides right on down like that. Next we're going to reinstall this piece, just slides back. Feel it click into place. And then we'll reinstall our upper. At this point, you want to work your action and make sure that everything is lined up correctly, that everything feels good. If it doesn't feel good, take it back apart and try again. And that's going to wrap up taking apart the PS90, taking a look at the internals. There's a lot to like about this gun in my opinion, and then the biggest downfall of the PS90 platform is the 5.7 ammunition. And that's only my personal experience because I've had these rounds come apart on me. And that's very frustrating when they come apart when you're trying to load them into your firearm, and they make your firearm very dirty. Got to take it apart and clean it. Luckily, it's easy to take apart and clean. It's just when it happens, you know, once in a while, it's frustrating. FN, if you watch this, please fix this. Anyway, now that I've cleaned this gun, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and shoot it today. Make sure that it's functioning properly. So let's go do that.